Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the latest Evolution X ROM based on Android 15. Running on our trusty OnePlus 6T, this ROM is known for its extensive customization options, and Android 15 brings even more to the table. Let's see what this build has to offer. The heart of Evolution X lies within its Evolver settings, which is where you'll find a plethora of ways to personalize your device. Let's go through each section and see what you can tweak. Starting with themes, you get the standard Monet theming engine, allowing the system UI to adapt to your wallpaper's colors. You can also customize fonts for the system and the lock screen, and choose from a variety of icons to give your phone a unique look. Moving on to the lock screen, you'll find options to adjust the interface, such as adding carrier name, media cover art, and even iOS-inspired depth wallpapers. The miscellaneous section here seems to be directly related to Monet settings, which we'll explore next. In the audio section, you can toggle the lock sound and unlock sound, both currently set to default. Next up, we have fonts. Here, you can set the system font style and customize the lock screen clock font style to your preference. The Pixel Launcher settings allow for some subtle but useful tweaks. You can enable background blur for the recent items page and extend support for more themed icons for your installed apps. The icons section provides further customization. You can set the system icon style, choose an icon shape, and select different styles for the signal icon and Wi-Fi icon. Under animations, you can personalize the boot animation and the charging animation that appears when you plug in your device. The status bar section is packed with options. Under interface, you can enable depth wallpaper, display the carrier name on the lock screen, show media cover art with optional filtering and fade level adjustments. You can also display charging stats and enable pulse, which is an audio-graphic equalizer for the navigation bar and lock screen. For fingerprint unlock, you can enable a ripple animation, as well as choose to have authentication success vibration and authentication error vibration. The miscellaneous section here only has pocket detection, which blocks screen and button inputs when your device is in your pocket. The final section in Evolver settings is miscellaneous, which is quite extensive. Under spoofing, you'll find options for component spoofing, including a Play integrity fix to help you pass Google Play attestation. You can view the properties, update the fix, or even select a custom JSON file. There's also Pixel props to spoof Google apps as the latest Pixel spoof tensor features, storage encryption spoofing, and app-specific spoofing for the Play Store, Google Photos, Snapchat, and per-app game spoofing. Now, let's talk performance. We ran Geekbench 6, and the OnePlus 6T with this Evolution X build scored 557 in single-core and 2086 in multi-core. For Antutu benchmark, we got a respectable score of 471,643. We also put the ROM through a CPU throttling test, and it performed exceptionally well, reaching a maximum of 244,570 GIPS, averaging 218,645 GIPS, and only throttling to 85% of its maximum performance. This indicates excellent stability under load. We also checked the SafetyNet status. Interestingly, it fails with root enabled, but passes without root. This means you can use banking apps and other services that require SafetyNet to pass, as long as your device isn't rooted. So, what's the verdict on the latest Evolution X ROM based on Android 15 for the OnePlus 6T? It's clear that this ROM offers an incredible amount of customization through its Evolver settings. Overall, if you're looking for a highly customizable and stable ROM for your OnePlus 6T running the latest Android version, Evolution X is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ROM reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.